Today's protagonist wants a sedan with some special touches. Today, we meet Andres and his Volkswagen Jetta.
My name is Andres and this is Volkswagen Jetta mk1.
This 1983 Jetta rides a 110 horsepower AFAN turbo diesel engine, decatalyzed, Golf GTI front brakes, super sport coilovers, and lots of secret stuff. The car was completely restored. All the upholstery and trim are new, just as it left the factory in 1983, thus preserving the original look. Andres is a lover of Volkswagen. He has had several very special models.